Hello everyone, in front of me is Poco M6 Pro, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint. First, open the settings, then find and select Passwords and Security, and click on Fingerprint Unlock. At first you have to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, PIN code or the password. Let me choose pattern. As you can see notification here, you need to remember the password, otherwise you will forget. Once you forget it, you will have to reset your device, so you will lose all data on your device, including photos and contacts. So click on Got it and draw the pattern that you want to have, then re-enter it just to confirm. Click on Got it, and now here you've got fingerprint sensor, so all you have to do is to keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. Click on Cancel to add face data, tap on Done once fingerprint is added, and from now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only, or you can use the pattern that you set. So just draw it and the device would be unlocked. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.